God damn it, what the hell happened there? We just left Annie.
It is not safe for her. If we do not stop Riot, he will come back here with millions more of my kind.
Millions? What, you were gonna take the rocket and you were gonna come back here with an invasion force. Then what were you gonna do? You were gonna go feed on the whole planet?
Yes, but it is different now, Eddie. I have decided to stay.
Wow.
On my planet, I am kind of a loser, like you. But here, we could be more.
Excuse me?
And I'm getting to like it here.
Oh, you like us now, do you, huh?
However, there will be nothing left to like if we do not stop that rocket.
Oh, I see. Right, when it comes to being completely annihilated, then it's back to we.
It is we. Like it or not, it is going to take both of us.
Cut the bullshit. What really made you change your mind?